हिंगासर geographical indication GI to Khola mirchi, first agricultural produce of the state of Goa. म्हणजे ही मिरची जी हा खोला गांवची तेका आमी geographical indication दिल्ले आहा. It will help the farmers. हे आमचे काणकोणचे फार्मर जे आहात ते तेंका हो प्रोड्यूस आनी करपाक आनी पॅकेजिंग करून विकपाक प्रॉब्लेम कांयच जावचें ना. Under same department, Science and Technology, we are working to give GIs for coconut vinegar, harmalची chili, Goan खाजे, मांदोळची केळी, banana, मांदोली banana, आमचो गोंयचो आमो, mankurad, cashew nuts, Goan varieties, माहिती कितलेच व्हरायटीचे cashew nuts आहा, बिबिंका आमचे traditional delicacy of Goa. That is dessert of Goa. आमचो गोवन लोकल रायस कितलेच बसीचो आमचो गोवन लोकल रायस हा तेका आमी जिओग्राफिकल इंडिकेशन दिवपाक आमी चालू केल्ले हा. तालिगांव हा, आक्षे हा, कितलेच बसीचे ब्रिंजल व्हरायटी हा तेका आमी जिओग्राफिकल इंडिकेशन दिवपाक फुडें सरलेले हा. म्हाका वी आर हियर टू अनाउंस गोवाज यंग इनोवेटर अवॉर्ड 2019-20 which are being instituted by Goa State Innovative Council, which is under Department of Science and Technology. Students of all the schools of Goa in two categories. First category is from 5th to 7th and second is from 8th to 10th. Under our Department of Science and Technology, we want to encourage these young students to take up something different.